In the depths of space, a phenomenon so breathtaking has left scientists stunned. The cosmic dance of galaxies is a sight to behold. It's a spectacle that has captivated human imagination for centuries. From the birth of stars to the death of planets, the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. One such enigma is the formation of galaxies, a process so intricate that it has left scientists scratching their heads. But that's not the strangest part. Did you know that galaxies are not as static as they appear? They're actually dynamic, constantly changing through a process called galactic collisions. Imagine a cosmic ballet, where galaxies dance and merge in a beautiful yet catastrophic spectacle. It's a collision that can reshape the very fabric of space and time. The impact can be so severe that it sends shockwaves throughout the galaxy. These shockwaves can trigger the birth of new stars, and even influence the evolution of life itself. But what triggers these galactic collisions? Research suggests that it's a combination of gravitational forces and the movement of dark matter. Dark matter, a mysterious substance that makes up 27% of the universe, plays a crucial role in shaping the cosmos. It's like an invisible hand, guiding the formation of galaxies and the evolution of the universe. And then something unexpected happened. Scientists discovered a galaxy so massive that it's challenging our current understanding of the universe. The galaxy, known as Dragonfly 44, is a behemoth with a mass 1,000 times that of our own galaxy. Its sheer size is mind-boggling, and it's pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. This phenomenon occurs when galaxies collide and merge, resulting in the creation of a new, larger galaxy. The process is so complex that it's taken scientists decades to understand the intricacies of galactic evolution. But what does this mean for us? The formation of galaxies has a direct impact on the evolution of life in the universe. It's a reminder that we're part of a much larger cosmic tapestry, connected to the very fabric of space and time. The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled, and the study of galaxy formation is just the beginning. Subscribe for more incredible stories like this. If you found this fascinating, let us know in the comments what you'd like to learn more about. Join our journey of discovery and explore the wonders of the universe together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.